Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is Moroccan chicken. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do, I've got a deep frying pan in here. We're gonna turn it on a high heat and we're gonna add some oil. Now, I've got two medium onions. We're gonna peel them. Then we're gonna roughly chop the onions and we're gonna put them into this container. Remember, before you do any recipes, make sure that you have bought all the ingredients before. Planning is the key in the kitchen. Now, we're gonna roughly cut the onions, put them into this container. Then I've got 3 cloves of garlic. We're gonna peel them, cut them, and then put them with the onion. What I love about this recipe is because when you cook, you can cook a big batch. So the chicken that we're not gonna eat that day, we can freeze it and we can find it when we are busy. So we're gonna cut the garlic and put it with the onion. Now, at this stage, the oil should be hot. I've got this beautiful chicken in here. We're gonna put it into the frying pan to give it that nice brown color. We wash our hands for the chicken pieces. You can use any cuts from the chicken. Now, I've got some tomatoes in here. We're going to give them a good wash under cold running water. Then we're going to remove the eye. We're going to take the eye off with a small knife. Then we're going to roughly cut the tomatoes. Just a quick cut, like that, and put it with the onions and garlic. By half, then by 3, and on the middle. Easy. Make sure always when you are cutting on a chopping board, make sure that you always put a wet cloth like that. So the chopping board do not slip, and you will work safely. Now, with the onion, garlic and tomatoes, what we're going to do, we're going to add some ground ginger in there and some cinnamon, like that. At this stage, we're going to turn the chicken so we can give the chicken nice brown color on the other side. Look at that, beautiful. And we're going to leave it to get that nice brown color for about 2 to 3 minutes. For ingredients, method and recipes with pictures, please do log on our website, robandjas.com, or like us on our Facebook page, robandjas. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram as well. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to prepare a tray. We're going to remove the chicken on the tray. And we're going to leave the chicken on the side. And then we're going to put the tomato, garlic and onions with the ginger and cinnamon. And we're going to cook this mix for about 15 minutes. Remember to lower the heat. We need to cook the onion, garlic, tomatoes, ginger and cinnamon for 15 minutes on a low temperature. Stirring every 2 to 3 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the heat up. We're going to add some water. Some chicken cubes and a pinch of saffron. Then we're gonna give it a good stir so the chicken cubes will dissolve. Then we're gonna place the chicken with all the juices on top. Look at that, beautiful. The chicken on top with all the juices. Then we're gonna cover the frying pan, turn the heat down, and we're gonna let the chicken to cook about 25 to 30 minutes covered. So now, after 30 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to remove the chicken. We can put in a container the one that we are not going to use, and the one that we're going to eat, we put that aside. Leave it in there for the time being. Now we're going to add some orange water and some honey. Then we're gonna give it a good stir, turn the heat up full, and we're gonna let the sauce to reduce. So while we are waiting on the sauce to reduce, I have some coriander in here. We're gonna roughly chop the coriander. Roughly, we don't need to chop it really thin. The reason why, because we need the flavors to stay. If you chop it too much, the flavor will stay on the chopping board. We lose a lot of flavor on the chopping board. So that's enough. We're going to put the coriander with the sauce. Again, we're going to stir. Beautiful. Then we're going to give it some seasoning, some salt, some pepper. Now, if the sauce is taking more than 4 minutes to thicken, you can put the chicken before you serve it back in the sauce to heat it up. But if the sauce in about 3 to 4 minutes has thickened to a sauce consistency, you can leave the chicken on a plate and then we're going to serve the sauce. as you can see. So now I'm gonna place the chicken that I'm gonna eat in there. I'm gonna turn the sauce off and I'm gonna pour some sauce on top. You can serve this Moroccan chicken with couscous and some flat bread. Look at that, beautiful. The rest of the sauce, you can put it with the containers, with the chicken that you put into containers. Moroccan chicken. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now, bye bye.